No, 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 no. Not notes. Actually, I was reading in a book.
Okay. Well, you have to go
Yes.
back to the book and look it up and then let me know.
So it was like 3 or 4 years ago.
Oh, wow.
That's why. That's why I can't. I can't. Okay, so Courtney, how much time do we
We have
have left?
about 7 minutes.
Okay, so 3 7. Okay, it's like 7 or 8 minutes. Now I see.
Yep, you see
I
it
don't
counting
know.
down.
Yes, I only see that your lesson will end at 3:15. It's 3 7, so it's like 8 minutes left. I see.
In the top left, you should see a countdown.
I used to see it before, but I don't know what's with the new update of this application. It doesn't show. Yes,
Right?
before, I mean before 3 or 4 lessons before, I used to see it in the right down corner, but at this time it doesn't show. It only shows that your lesson will end at 3:15 p.m. and the time is now 3:08. So right, you can calculate, which is 7 minutes difference now.
You'll have to write to them and let them know that they're messing it all up. They're confusing us.
And another thing that as I told you, and I got permission from you that I've got a YouTube channel and I make videos about English vocabulary and conversation, and I upload this conversation on my channel. And you said yes, okay, you can do it. So
Okay.
maybe do you remember or not?
I do. Yeah, I think it was a while ago.
Yes. So I asked. So I'm gonna upload this conversation as well on my channel.
Okay.
Yes. So I want you, as we have 6 minutes left, so I want you to give me some idioms with
Oh,
meanings. Yes.
I
Maybe we can 5 or 6 idioms we can cover that.
I oh man, I don't know.
So cool.
I have to so so cool would be an idiom.
I'm not saying that what's the meaning of so cool. Okay, if it's kind of difficult for you to say at this time, then no worries. We can discuss about something more.
So you want to know different like idioms that people use like in Ohio?
No, 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 no. Courtney, actually, I'm making short video about idioms these days. Okay? So every day I'm kind of one or two. I upload 2 idioms video on my channel. So I thought that if you could give me some idioms with meanings, then I can create some videos about them.
Okay.
Yes.
Um, what about like once in a blue moon?
I know this one. It's
What?
like I know this one.
So I can't use that one?
It's like rare.
What about
Which one do you like? Or maybe which one do you use the most?
what do I use the most? Oh, I've never really thought about that. Um,
I
what?
think Courtney to use idioms.
Courtney doesn't like to use idioms.
Does it? Yes,
Um, I
doesn't it?
probably tell my kids a lot that actions speak louder than words. That's probably one that I use a lot because I have 3 kids. Um,
Actions speak louder than words, right? Okay.
you
What do you
probably know
think?
that one too.
Very popular, so I know this one too. You're right. But 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 I want you to explain though.
Explain actions speak louder than words. So what you do for someone is more important than just saying what you're going to do for them. So
Right.
what I tell my kids all the time, like, you can tell me that you're going to do clean your room or, listen to mom's directions, but you need to actually do it. So I should
Yes.
only have to ask you one time to do XYZ.
And another one which is very popular as well, related with hand. Maybe you know, helping hands are better than praying hands,
True. Yes.
right?
Yes. Yep. So actually doing something instead of just wishful thinking for other people.
Yes, it's also very popular, and I like this one so much.
Is that one of your favorite ones?
Uh, yes, I can say one of my favorite ones. And Courtney, uh, tell me one more thing, because we have just 1 minute and a half left. So, if I visit your state or your region, what would you recommend to try?
Ooh. Um, if you can if you came to Ohio, let's see. I would recommend we have a lot of metro parks. I don't know if you do a lot of hiking, but there are lots of beautiful national parks that you can hike in.
Oh, okay, cool. And so these are activities.
Yes. So we
Okay.
have different trails around our area. So waterfalls, hiking trails.
Courtney, we have just few seconds left, but I still want to continue our conversation. Please tell me that do you use
Do I use what?
Instagram? Do you use Instagram?
I do, yes.
Okay, tell me. Just 30 seconds left.
I don't know what I think it's just like Courtney Owens.
Okay, listen. We have just 20 seconds left. Come on chat and I write you my Insta ID. Okay? Because
Okay.
I need to ask you many things at this time. So it's important. Come on chat, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye
Have a
bye.
great day. Bye.